The Mavericks taking on the Nuggets, and this was a thriller. Going down to the wire, Luka Jokic, he had 24 points, 33 points for Paul Millsap. Dirk, he made it splash 3 times tonight. For the Nuggets, Isaiah Thomas. First, we got to take a look at Jamal Murray's slam, but Isaiah Thomas, he's fallen out of the rotation. He came back from injury. He was doing pretty good, but now they're not playing him. Tonight, he got 0 minutes. Going into the playoffs, it looks like the Nuggets, they're trying to figure out their rotation. There goes the lob to Paul Millsap. Now he's going to be left open in the corner for 3. Old man Dirk can't get there in time. Still a good game in the third quarter. Look at the lob pass to Millsap again. What a game he's having. Luka pops the quick 3. Mavericks still with the lead. In the third, another transition opportunity. Dirk is going to fire again. Splash. He had 3 of those tonight. Luka to the basket. He's going to find Dirk in the corner this time. Nothing but net. He can still shoot. It's fourth quarter time. Murray with the dance moves. The step back 3. The Nuggets are coming back. Jokic, he's about to get double teamed, but he throws it up off the glass. It's a tie game. Luka puts the dance moves on Paul Millsap, gets him in the air with the up and under. The rookie Luka in the clutch. He gives the Mavericks the lead with 5 seconds remaining and 1. His only mistake with this clutch play is that he's gonna miss the free throw. Luka chokes, so the Nuggets, now they have a chance to win the game at the buzzer. They're gonna give it to Jokic. He's driving from the 3-point line. He gets into the paint, the post move, and it drops. At the buzzer, the Nuggets win. Luka's gotta be sick. Back-to-back green release. 3 in a row, green release. I'm never missing again. Let's go. Oh, how do I miss the money? Last rack. Oh, sit down. I can't see. Oh, look at that cheese. I can't see the release. He stood up to block the release. Wow, the CPU is cheesing.